Namaste everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Yoga with Radha. So today is day 8 of our 30-day yoga series जो कि beginners के लिए है and beginner friendly है. So शुरू करते हैं. आज थोड़ा सा body awakening वाला stretch करेंगे and movement करेंगे. So let's begin. सबसे पहले cross leg posture में आ जाइए comfortably. आप दोनों हाथ ज्ञान मुद्रा में इंडेक्स और थंब को मिलाते हुए दोनों हाथ नीज के ऊपर, आंखें बंद, ध्यान रहे कमर गर्दन सीधी. लंबी गहरी सांस लेना है, लंबी गहरी सांस छोड़ना है. पूरा ध्यान शरीर पर. Slowly open your eyes. शुरू करेंगे neck and spine movement. So let's begin. Now slowly open your eyes. Now शुरू करेंगे neck and spine movement. So both palms on your knees. Inhale करते हुए chin को up कीजिए, chest open. Exhale down, back पीछे pull. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, hold your few breaths. Feel the stretch on your neck, on your throat. And then exhale, pull your back. Feel your spine. Spine को feel करना है fully. And slowly come back. Now move right to left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So you have to move from your hip joint, not your head. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, opposite. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And slowly come back. Now, extend your arms. Arms shoulder level पर होने चाहिए. Now, fingers को open करना है, close करना है. Inhale और अपने हाथों की muscle को feel करते हुए close. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now start wrist rotation. अब इसी में next opposite hand से fingers को press करना है up and down, up and down, जो कि हमारे wrist joint के लिए बहुत सही है. wrist joint की flexibility और मजबूती के लिए, ठीक है, ताकि हम बैलेंसिंग या स्ट्रेंथनिंग आसनों के लिए हमें हेल्प मिले. तो सिमिलरली विद ऑपोजिट हैंड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट shake your hands and arms like this. Now interlock your fingers. Inhale, stretch fully upward. Exhale, bend left side, feel your torso. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And slowly come back. So if you want to feel deeper, you can put your left palm on your right knee and then bend left side with extended right arm. And similarly, opposite side. Inhale, stretch. exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, hold here for your breath, feel the stretch. Now similarly opposite side. Now slowly come back. Okay, now next twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, next 7, 8. Hold here, few breath again. Feel the twist. Now change. And slowly come back. Okay, now next, extend your right leg outside like this. Bend your left knee. Now inhale, both arms up. Exhale, go forward and stretch forward. Hold here, feel the stretch. Okay, again inhale, exhale. And slowly come back. Next, now place your left palm next to your left thigh. Inhale, lift your pelvis, open your pelvis, and right arm up, stretch. So you have to put your weight on knees to your left big toe and left palm also. Now inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretch and hold. 1. So you can place your foot and on your heel also, both whatever comfortable for you. Stretch. And come back. Now similarly, bend your right knee, fold, left leg extended. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, go forward and stretch. Again, inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch. Now slowly come back. Place your right palm next to your right thigh. Inhale, lift your pelvis up. Exhale down. 2, 3, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. And come back. Come back in butterfly. And slowly move your knees up, down. Both palms on your knees, so you have to press it like this. And open your chest, look forward, keep your eyes closed and feel the stretch. And close your knees like this, press it also like this. Again. And press. Now, again, open your both legs and slowly move forward as much as you can. And you can move like this to stretch your inner thighs for front split. And slowly go forward, feel the stretch. बैक को लेंथन रखना है. And slowly move towards left and towards right. धीरे धीरे स्ट्रेच को फील करते लेफ्ट टू राइट जाना है slowly and right to left. And hold your few breaths. And slowly towards right. And again hold here few breaths. Now slowly come back. Close your knees, feet together. Now inhale, both arms up and go forward. Go forward from your lower belly and look forward. You can hold your shin bone or your big toes wherever you are. जहाँ पर भी आप हो, जहाँ तक आपकी बॉडी आपको अलाउ कर रही है, आपको फील करना है स्ट्रेच को. So if you are feeling here, then it's fine. It's absolutely fine. बस आपको फील करना है. Slowly come back. Relax. Now, come back in Vajrasana. Now, tabletop posture, cat and cow. So this is the best posture. You can do it always and every day. Inhale. Drop your back, look up, exhale, pull your back up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up. Feel your lower back. Exhale. And pull your back up. And then come back in mountain pose. And move your legs like this. And lengthen your spine. Don't forget it. Forward in Bhujangasana. Again, exhale back in mountain. Inhale. Exhale. Now, next, lizard pose. Right leg forward outside of both palms. drop your back leg knee and feel the stretch on your inner thighs. ठीक है, inner thighs पर feel करना है stretch को सामने देखते हुए. अगर पॉसिबल है तो आप लिफ्ट कर सकते हो नी को. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो आप ड्रॉप करके स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो. एंड देन कम बैक. सिमिलरली लेफ्ट साइड एंड स्ट्रेच. Back. Drop your knees back in child pose and relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Back in tabletop posture, knees together, then drop your elbow, look forward. You can interlock your fingers to support, then inhale, stretch your right leg back, exhale, drop. 2, exhale, 3, 4, exhale, 5, and hold. Try to hold here. So you don't need to shrug your shoulder. Shoulder को stable रखना है. Okay, now switch your leg. Again, switch your leg. Switch your leg. Come back in, puppy pose, stretch your back, and relaxing child pose, knees open. Slowly come back in Vajrasana. And both palms. So you have to wait for normal breathing. तो आपको अपने ब्रीदिंग को नॉर्मल होने तक वेट करना है, रिलैक्स करना है. ठीक है, अगर आपको वज्रासन में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप सुखासन में भी बैठ सकते हो. Slowly rub your palm. So ये था आज का सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा हो. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. अब मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट सेशन के साथ.